we left off having installed the positioning bracket and the indicator plate and all that over there. Now we're working with this. What's going to happen next is we're going to put these parts together and get them back into the machine and finish up with that. The one thing I would like to note before I start is this is the bracket for these brackets, these pin brackets. Everything's a bracket here. But this is the position that it has to be in. We need it to, I don't know if you can see that, let me hold it back here in the light a little, and then I'll just zoom in. That'll be the thing to do here in this case. So there, we want it to be, there you can see the shape of that bracket, and the way it'll work is that that one will go like that, and you can see how the bracket seats onto the end at the bottom, and that end at the bottom is also flattened on that side. So that ensures that when we install this in the tubes in the bottom here, they will line up correctly so that the slots in the tubes are facing inward. Anyway, without further ado, we'll put the other bracket in the bracket and the pin and the pin and the spring and the other spring. Oopsie daisy. And then we'll get it lined up. And give them both a little push. Now we can feel the springs pushing back. So that's as far as we're going to go there. Now we're going to bring over the positioning bracket. Push it in, and then I'm going to get the adjusting screw and get it on there. What I would like to do is tighten that enough to get it flush with the body there. That's the furthest over to the left. That's the center. And that's furthest over to the right. Let's see what it looks like up top here. And we'll back up a bit. Oopsie daisy. Okay, that's furthest to the right. That is the middle. And that is furthest to the left. In the remove position, the middle is the darning position, and the one on the right is the straight and zigzag position. Now I know we don't have the feed dogs on, but the way it's supposed to ideally work is slide it on from behind, like that. And whoopsie daisy. Well, there, that works there. So there. To finish up, I'll put the plate on here. I never was able to take this off, but I oiled it nonetheless. And the next job on this machine is going to be to replace the hook and the bobbin case and the bobbin and all that. Get that lower thread tension fixed up. Thanks for watching. If you liked, like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I hope you come back if this is your first time. And thank you for returning if you've been here before. Adios, amigos.